If you've ever wondered how to handle plumbing in a washing machine without calling in the big guns, you're in the right place because I'm about to break down the easiest way to get your washer up and running with solid plumbing tips that'll actually save you time and stress. So here's the deal. First off, always double check that your water supply valves are working right. Turn them on and off a couple times to make sure they're not stuck or leaking. Next, make sure your hot and cold water hoses are legit tight. But don't go Hulk on them or you'll strip the threads, you know? Pro tip. Always use those little rubber washers inside your hose connections, cause without them, you're just asking for leaks. When you're hooking up the drain hose, stick it in your standpipe or sink about 8 inches deep so it won't pop out but also won't get all kinked up. You want to keep that hose looped kinda high behind the washer, like at least as high as the top of the machine so dirty water doesn't backflow into your washer. Trust me, nobody wants that mess. If your washing machine isn't level, it'll literally shake itself across the room. So get down there and twist those little leveling feet until it's nice and steady. And if you're swapping out an old washer, clean out those connections before hooking up the new one, cause old gunk can mess up your seals real quick. Last thing, run a cycle with no close the first time after setting everything up, just to flush out any weird stuff and double check for leaks. One of the most annoying issues people run into with washing machine plumbing is a leaky connection, which usually happens when the hose isn't screwed on tight enough or you forgot that rubber washer. Just unscrew it, pop in a new washer, and snug it up by hand. Another super common problem is not having a proper drain hose loop, so water keeps flowing back into the machine and leaves your laundry smelling funky. Just make sure that hose is looped up high and secured before running loads. And don't forget about water hammer noise. If your pipes bang around when you shut off the washer, you might want to pick up a cheap water hammer arrestor from the hardware store and screw it onto your valve. Easy fix. Seriously. BigHomeProjects.com is honestly clutch if you don't want to mess with all this yourself because it links homeowners with local pros who actually know what they're doing and have solid reviews. On the flip side, if you're a contractor looking to pick up more gigs or get your name out there, BigHomeProjects.com helps you connect with people who need your skills right now. So whether you're all about that do-it-yourself life or you just want someone else to handle it fast, there's always a way to get your washing machine plumbing sorted without losing your mind.